In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date calendar on Confluence. This is a very simple feature, but it's also really useful when you want to highlight a deadline, meeting date, launch day, or any important point in time directly inside a Confluence page. Adding a date this way keeps the page clean, makes the information easy to spot, and also lets you quickly update it later if plans change. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to insert the date calendar and make sure the page is in edit mode. If you're not already editing the page, just switch into the editor first so you can place content exactly where you want it. This is important because the date needs to be inserted into a specific spot on the page, whether that's inside a paragraph, under a heading, or in a section where you're organizing project details. Once you're inside the page editor, go to the exact area where you want the date to appear and click there with your cursor. After that, type /date. Confluence will show a list of suggestions as you type. From those suggestions, select date. This will open a calendar pop-up on the screen. Now simply choose the date you want from that calendar. As soon as you select it, the date will be inserted into the page as a small pill-shaped item. That pill format makes the date stand out clearly from the surrounding text, so it's easy for anyone viewing the page to notice it right away. One helpful thing to know is that this date isn't fixed forever. If you click the date pill again later, the calendar picker will open once more, allowing you to change the date whenever needed. That makes it especially convenient for pages that get updated regularly, like planning pages, editorial calendars, task trackers, or team documentation. A useful tip here is to place the date close to the text it relates to so readers instantly understand what that date refers to. Keeping it in the right context helps make your page more organized and easier to scan. And that's it. Once you've selected your date, your Confluence page now includes a date calendar entry that can be viewed and edited anytime from the page editor. It's a quick and effective way to make important dates more visible and manageable inside your documentation.